Abris Design Group has a 20 years experience in designing and producing of light and ultralight aviation, UAV, aerial mapping and monitoring. UAVs from our model range fly all over the globe, from hot desert in Turkey to icy plains in Antarctica. Abris fleet is our model range of powerful professional UAVs for aerial mapping, monitoring and other remote sensing applications. Abris fleet UAV's main features are our smart flight planner for automatic mission creation, fully automatic flight from takeoff to landing, small area for takeoff and landing, gimbal for camera, which allowed us to get well-aligned images. All our aircraft made from composite material, which gets aircraft to be strong and very light. The main goal of Kailas Group is the producing of high-quality GIS software and cartography of geodesic accuracy. These products will help our customers to have all necessary information for management of the elite lands. The considerable practice experience, cooperation with the Advantages Institute of the country in the sphere of science and technical innovations allow us to be innovators of this industry.